Combo and Fusions and BB Boy. We're gonna go mining. We're actually gonna go sell all of this. So yeah, I'll see you when we get back. We're back and we got. I have no idea what we got, but we just sold everything, but people sold to me. So let's go. But you know, we're gonna go mining basic, and yeah, we're gonna go to Ferret Boys. Ferret Boy 64's plot, and we're gonna start mining. I just says warp Ferret Boy. That's just okay. Weird. PH Ferret Boy. As we're back, and we got actually 5 bill, 10 bill to Someone's about to get banned, you know, but yeah, someone just paid me 400 mil, so that's pretty good.
400 mil, 1 bill, man.
Yeah, well, he paid me, and I got 1 bill. It was taken too hard, but you know that was good. But welcome back, guys. And I don't know. What should we do? What should I do now? I want to do some plot work actually. I'm gonna design my plot. I want to design my plot actually. I want to design my plot. I need building
Wait.
blocks.
Anybody on Skype?